Hello everyone, let me introduce to you. Android Auto changes the function of small, medium and large icons. Now this icon is smaller. We can set it through Smart Screen Projection settings. Set Android Auto icon size. For example, you can set a large. Return. Click here to take effect. We noticed that it was much larger. Or we can make it smaller through this Smart Screen Projection setting. The icon is very small. The above is Android Auto. Adjust the function of small, medium and large icons. Thanks.